I'm a sailor on this dark and dreadful sea. And I need courage just the same as you need me. Now I've been fishing for a cup of sympathy, but I keep getting waves that just won't let me be. And I'm gonna be late getting home tonight if the tide won't come in. And I'll be tired from the journey, but I'll be seeing you again. Thank God for you and me and the deep, deep blue sea. Well, it ain't been the same since she hit upon the rock, but I still sail her even though she's had the knock. And when I look out from the middle of the sea, I still dream the dreams I dream of you and me. And I'm gonna be late getting home tonight if the tide won't come in. I'll be tired from the journey, but I'll be seeing you again. Thank God for you and me and the deep, deep blue sea. Call me homeward when it's time for me to leave, and I'll be leaving thinking of who I'm gonna see. When I'm with you, we will open up the sail, 'cause when I'm with you, I just know I'll never fail. And I'm gonna be late getting home tonight if the tide won't come in. And I'll be tired from the journey, but I'll be seeing you again. Thank God for you and me and the deep, deep blue sea.
Yeah, Al.
It's so cute.
Little camera.
This ram's so cute.
What the fuck?
My bad, bro. Right, you gotta land it. I hit the Cadillac, sonny.
Good job. Ooh, hell no.
Look at this dude.
That would have been both my shits, bro. Dude.
That's a sick ass line.